Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra, a US-based known expert in the area of IT risk, IT audit, IT security and IT compliance. Welcome to my channel, IT with Varun Vohra, to master the fundamentals and concepts not available anywhere, neither in any book nor over the web. Most trusted and only channel with over 200 videos which will help build or advance your career in IT audit, IT security, IT SOX, IT risk and IT compliance. Friends, as part of the Conceptual Bytes series, I'm covering more in-depth real-life business examples of each of the 5 common types of automated controls, and today in the series we'll cover the examples of interface IT application or automated controls. So what is an interface automated control? Controls related to number of records sent from source system that matches with the number of records received by a destination system. That's what an interface automated control is. Let us go through a few real life business examples of interface automated control. So the first example is the interface between e-commerce application and the payment gateway application. So the way e-commerce application interacts with the payment application, that is an example of an interface control between these two. Second example is the interface between a payroll application and an accounting application for posting to the general ledger. So the interactions between payroll application and accounting application happening in an automated way through an interface is an example of an interface automated control. Next example is the interface between loan originating and loan underwriter application. So again, communication between the loan originating application and the loan underwriter application happening in an automated way. And when we talk about communication, we're talking about the exchange of data sets. That's an example of a interface automated control. Next, interface between an ERP application and a vendor application, mostly done for processing of payments. So interaction between the ERP application and the vendor application in an automated way through an interface is an example of an interface automated control. Next is an interface between journal entry and a reconciliation and reporting application. So this is again a very common example from the finance world. When you talk about the data from journal entry application moving towards reconciliation and reporting application or vice versa is an example of interface automated control. Next is the interface between treasury application and the banking Swift application, another common example from the SOX and finance world. When treasury application interacts with the banking Swift application, the interactions happening in an automated way through an interface is an interface control. Next is the interface between ERP sales application and the tax application. Again, mostly done to get the data from the ERP sales side to calculate the taxes. So all data exchanged between these two applications in an automated way through an interface is an example of an interface automated control. Next is the interface between the core banking application and the AML application, the anti-money laundering application for monitoring, another common example from the banking world, wherein the data from core banking application is shared with the AML application so that it can be monitored for fraud. That happening in an automated way through an interface is an example of an interface automated control. Friends, I hope this conceptual byte was helpful. You can get a much deeper understanding through the in-depth videos on my channel covering details not available anywhere else. You can find the relevant links on the end screen and in the description section of this video. Keep watching. Bye.